Welcome to Like You Know, Why Filler Words Are Nasty and How to Avoid Them, a mini workshop by Lucinda Atwood. What are filler words? Filler words are placeholders that don't add meaning. For example, like, you know. They are repeated. Think how often you use your favorite filler word in a day. And when we repeat them too often, they become distracting and confusing. In fact, they're awful. And it's true. Filler words do make you seem unconfident, unprepared, and unprofessional. So, how do we break this nasty habit? It's easy. First, you need to understand, why do we use filler words? We use them when we're distracted, when we're nervous, when we're thinking, and when we're trying to remember. So here I'm offering you three beautiful practical tips to break the habit. Try them one at a time. Keep what works, ditch the rest. First one is very simple. Just start paying attention. Notice when you catch yourself using filler words and work on not allowing them to come out when you're thinking. Now, the big danger here is when we stop speaking, we say because we don't want other people to interrupt. If you're not using filler words, people will probably jump in. But you know what? That's okay. Conversation should be a group activity. It shouldn't be just one person monologuing. Allow other people to jump in. Number two, and this is a lot harder than you might think, practice speaking in full sentences, subject, verb, object. And between those sentences, pause to formulate your next sentence, but don't let the filler words creep in. One of the beautiful secrets is when you start speaking in full sentences, you become a more effective communicator. And research around effective communication shows that people who are effective communicators are seen as smarter, more intelligent. They're seen as more competent, better at their jobs, and they're seen as leaders. So this one simple habit can actually affect your personal and professional life. And then my third tip is the most risky. You might regret this one. Enlist helpers. Ask family, friends, coworkers to alert you when you use a filler word. They can either vocalize or give you a little hand signal. Some people ask their helpers to count the number of filler words they use in a meeting or in a conversation. This can be quite shocking, so brace yourself. Or you can get creative and have fun with it, where the helper alerts you that you've used a filler word, and so you have to do something like 2 push-ups or buy them a treat or do a task for them. Again, this one's risky, so be careful with that. But there we have the three tips. Congratulations, you've completed Like You Know, Why Filler Words Are Nasty and How to Avoid Them, a mini workshop by Lucinda Atwood. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you try them. Did they work? What did? What didn't? And if you have any tips or suggestions. Thank you so much.